Hello, good day, everyone. This will be the video for the naive partition. Quick sort, I mean, using the a naive partition, which is we will be going to also utilize the first pivot in this case. So as we've discussed that naive partition is having two different section that we will be going to um different we will be going to separate those value that those elements smaller than the pivot and put that at the left side, and those elements which is greater than will put that in the right side in your temporary array. You have to create a temporary array, and then in that temporary you have to copy back that memory array to the original array. Now, let's deal with this example here for this given 13, 25, 10, 9, 7 to 1, 8, and 17. So for your step 1 right now, in this case, so this will be for step 1. Then you are selecting the first pivot. So the pivot for this case will be that 13. So in this step, you have to create a temporary array, which will include um, the element, which is less than the value of your pivot. So we will be going to identify that will be 4, 10, 9, 8, and that's it. So 4, 10, 9, 8. And for those, you have to also put the pivot at the center. So pivot will be 13, as well as in here. Then you are also you actually need to put as well the element which is greater than the value of your pivot at the right side. So what we will be going to do in that right now, you have to store the element, 1 second, greater than the pivot, which is in this problem right now. Let me keep it. Your element which is having the greater value will be the 25, then 71, and 17. Okay. After having the temporary array, you have to copy those temporary array in the updated array. Now what will happen? It will become 4, 10, 9, 8, 13, 25, 71, and 17. So given that we've already sorted here the 13, so 13 is sorted. Now we do have left and right sub array right now. So what we need to do in your step 2, you have to deal with the left sub array before you will go to the right sub array, because that will be the process in dealing with this algorithm. Now, for the step 2, you will deal first for 10, 9, and 8. So since we are dealing with the pivot as first, so pivot right now will be 4. So the temporary array element as less than to the value of your pivot will be nothing. And then pivot will become the middle, and then element at which is greater than the pivot will be 10, 9, and 8. So what is going on? You have to update that one right now. So it will become 4, 10, 9, 8, 13, 25, 71, 17. given in this one right now that we've already sorted 4 and 13. So 4 is sorted. You just have to indicate right there, actually. So step 3 right now, what we will need to do in your step 3, you have to deal with the right subarray, left subarray still. So that will be 10, 9, and 8. So what will be your pivot right now? It will be 4. So given that your pivot, no, it's not 4. It is 10. I'm so sorry. We've already sorted the 4. Excuse me. So temporary array will become element less than the pivot will be 9 and 8. Then pivot will be 10, and then element which is greater than the pivot is none. So you will have to update that into your array right now, which is 4, 9, and 8, then 10, then 13, 25, 71, and 17. So you have to keep track everything for that one so that we can identify what will be those elements that you've already sorted. So 10 is already sorted in this case. Now afterwards, you have to deal with the step 4. For the step 4, you will deal with the 9 and 8 already. So that will be your element right now. So your pivot for this will be the 9. So what you'll need to do is temporary and element as less than for the pivot will be 8. And then pivot itself will be 9. Then element greater than the pivot is none. So in this case, class, you will also update right now here in your updated. It will become 4, 8, 9, 10, 13, 25, 71, and 17. So keep track here 10 and 9 and 4. So given that 9 is sorted. So since in your left subarray, it's 8 already right here. So what you will need to do, you will suppose that you will follow the same thing. Pivot will become 8. However, given that it's only 1 here, so we can assume that it is already sorted. So you can just identify it right there. 8 is sorted so that you will not identify another step already. So that's fine. So step 5, we will deal with the right subarray already, which is the 25, 71, and 17. So given in that thing right now, pivot will be 25. So you have to create a temporary array, is what we did earlier. So the element less than to the pivot will be 17. Then the pivot itself, so that will become 25. Then element greater than the pivot will be 71. So you just update the array. So the updated array will become 4, 8, 9, 10, 13, then 17, 25, then 71. So given that we've already sort this following here, so what we've sorted right now is at 25. 25 is sorted. So given in this case right now, since 17 is already 1 here, so what we will need to do, another step supposedly, however, that is only 1. So there is no comparison at all that we will be going to deal with. So 17 is assumed as sorted. No, as is sorted. And 71 also is only 1, so 71 is sorted. So what you will need to do after doing that, you just have to put or indicate here the final array. So the final array or sorted array will be the 4, 8, 9, 10, 13, 17, 25, and 71. So that's how you will deal with your naive partition, which is this step here right now. So Thank you so much and see you in the another video.